Hi everyone! So I know it's been quite a while since I have been on this channel, and I'm really sorry for that. I'm just sometimes not feeling good, and yeah, it's been a little struggle here for me, so I haven't been on, and I know I should try to do as many videos as I possibly can on this channel, and I'm trying to work on that, but every time I see a little glimmer of life, something else is setting me back. So I haven't been the best, but I want to come back out here, and I'm going to try to do some more videos, and hopefully that will be happening. But I'm going to come in here and I am going to blow your mind when you see what I have today. So as you can tell, this is an unboxing of a brand new baby that I just received from Palmview Reborns. And everybody, I'm sure everybody knows of Michelle James from Palmview Reborns. She is a magnificent reborn painter. Her hair is exquisite on these babies. The coloring of these babies are just out of this world. I mean, just so beautiful. And I finally got the baby I wanted. It's been a little while to get him because, you know, funds and things like that. But I finally got him, and he's here today, and I just got him in the door about 10 minutes ago, and I'm out here filming because I have to see what he looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to do this unboxing of this sweet little baby. Let me go ahead and get this ready, and I hope you all can see. I'm doing this in my craft room. I'm not upstairs. I've been like a little busy beaver here trying to get my Christmas cards together, and I know it sounds early, but I do a lot of crafting. So here's one of my Christmas cards I will be sending out this year, and it's came out super cute. I was really happy about it, and that's what I've been working on when I can. But anyways, I want to come back into this unboxing, so let's get this little, as you can tell by the coloring, this little boy out of this little box. So we have a birth certificate. Hopefully you guys can see this. I do have, look how cute that is. Do have my lights on. I'm going to turn this up just a little bit. I think maybe it's a little bit too much light. Let me turn that down. Maybe you can see, yeah, a little bit better, I think. So he's 4.6 pounds, 20 inches long. That's me. He was adopted 9/14. His name, the kit name is Tommy, and it's by Sandy Faber. Because you know, if anybody knows me, they know how much I love my Sandy Faber dolls. I am going on my, he will be, I think, my 4th Sandy Faber doll I have because I'm so in love with her babies. But so this is his birth certificate, and then Michelle signed it right here and put her name on it. So that's his birth certificate. I have a little envelope from Michelle. I'm going to try to, and there's her. If anybody wants to know, Palmview Reborns. You can find her on Facebook. Just type that in and you will find her there. I want to see, I think this is maybe a little thank you card, but I just want to get into it. Yes, it is a little thank you card. I think she has like instructions in this card so that I know what to do. Yes, she does. There's a reborn care list of what I need to do to take care of this little one. And yes, this is a thank you from Michelle. And thank you so much for the card. I appreciate it. I am going to put that aside because that's kind of a personal thing, and you know, not everybody needs to know every little thing. So anyway, here is, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Did she know I love elephants are my favorite, and for this to be on here is so adorable. It is so cute. It's a rattle. Can you hear it? It's so cute. And for this to be wrapped in with these cute little diapers, I'm blown away because, you know, Michelle, I don't think knows that I like elephants, but It's my favorite. So thank you so much. And it's a little rattle, and you put it on his arm. I'm assuming, let me see if I can, I know, yeah, you do, see? You put that on his arm. It's like a little wrist, you know, goes on his wrist, and he can be entertained. Oh, that's so cute. And then there's a couple diapers. Love it. Oh my gosh, there's another elephant. What? Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. How cute is that? Look at the bow on the back. Oh my gosh, Michelle, did you like read my mind? Palmview Reborns? Did you read my mind? I don't know. I'm an elephant freak, so this is amazing. And I see that his blanket's got oh my gosh, this is insane. That his everything is elephants. Crazy, crazy. I'm going to pick him up. Let me see if I can get him out of here. Michelle has him packaged in here. Really super nice, as you can tell. He is really in here. And I'm on a really janky angle because I'm down here in my craft room, so it's hard for me to get the box out, or him out, while I'm at an angle. So I'm going to do the best I can, but it's coming, but slowly. So we are going to, like, okay, now we're getting somewhere. And I don't want to show you, I just seen his face. I don't want to show you his face yet. But, oh my gosh. And he smells so good. I love the smell of the baby powder smell. I told her, she asked me if I wanted that smell, and I'm like, yes, 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 please. I want this, the smell of the baby. I see his head. But I'm trying not to let you see it because he is super cute. So, we have, oh, this is so pretty. So, it's a little heart, and it's a charm, and it has a heart with a mom and the baby on it, and it is so adorable. And I'll show you this in a minute. I just don't want to pull him up again and then this falls off because his head is in there. So I'm just gonna take off the ribbon, and I always save my ribbon. I never throw my ribbon out. And she has it on here with a little piece of, like, it looks like string, or it could be a little piece of elastic. I'm not real sure. But let me take this off because I wanted you to see how adorable this is. Can you see that? Oh my gosh, it is the cutest thing. I love that. And it's got like a mommy and the baby. Oh, that's so adorable. And it's like it's a little charm. Oh my gosh, I love it. Thank you, Michelle. That's so cute. Oh my god, I still am having a hard time with dealing with this blanket. And the whole thing with the elephants. I'm like, what is going on? And how is this possible? I mean, oh my gosh, that's a really nice blanket. I'm so excited just to see it. I'm so excited about the blanket. I can't wait to get to the baby. But here he is. His body so far, he is a cuddle baby. Oh my goodness, does he feel good? Oh, he's so cute. I definitely think he is a reborn. I wasn't sure if he was a reborn or 3 months, but he definitely looks like he's a reborn. Oh my gosh, and you can't see his hands or anything because they're covered. But Michelle's bodies are like amazing. And he's really up in there. I can take it down here to show you the body in just a second, but oh my gosh. This blanket, the whole blanket, I hope you guys can see this so good. I'm going to take him out because his head is right there. I'm going to pull him out. He has also got like lots of paper and things. And he also, look, oh my gosh. We have I think there's, let me see. I know I'm going crazy here, Michelle. I'm doing this all backwards. Where's my scissors? He's got a little ribbon around his neck. It's attached to the back here. I'm just going to snip it so I can get him out. And of course, I got the worst pair of scissors possible. Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on, guys. Let me get this out there. It wasn't much to snip it, but these scissors are getting so dull. And I'm like, oh, okay. So I'm going to pull that out. So she's got this like baby snug in a rug. I'll tell you what. She's got the ribbon around it. She's got the tissue paper inside of it. She's cut the box on it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. He's so cute. Holy cow. Oh my gosh, her painting is just incredible. He is a little guy. I thought he was going to be a little bit bigger, but no, he's smaller than I thought. But oh my gosh, he's so cute. Look at this face. Oh, I have to turn him around. Oh, he's so cute. Look at his face. Guys, look at this hair. Her hair painting skills are like super, like, oh my gosh, just amazing. I can't describe it. It's just gorgeous. All the way around his head. Look at the painting on this hair. Ah, if I can only paint half or a quarter as good as you, Michelle. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. But look at his face. So now, guys, not only do I have my toddler, who is Sammy, and then I have James, who's my 3-month-old, and now I have Tommy, who is my newborn. And then I also have Vivian. If you guys remember Vivian, I made her as a twin with James, and I always make videos of the two of them together. Now, she's also, I have 4 babies, and I can't wait to get all 4 of these babies together. I want to put them in the same outfits, if it's possible. It's going to be a little bit hard finding a little girl the same as the boys, but I hope I can do that. But anyways, look at the face. Oh, he's so cute. Oh my gosh. He's Michelle. He's gorgeous. And he's got some weight to him. I like his weight. His weight is really nice. He is going to be super cuddly. Super cuddly. But oh my gosh, his lips and everything. He is so pretty. Now, if you want to, I can unzip him real quick. I think he might have a 2-way zipper. Is it a 1-way? Is it a 2-way? I don't know. It could be a 2-way. I don't know, but I'm not going to pull him all out. But you can see his little body, but like, look at his knees. Can you see that from here? She sews the knees. She sews like let me see if I can get his little foot out. Like he's got like a, well, that's a seam, but she sews like the knees. She sews the, like that, I'm pretty sure it's the elbow and the wrist. And she does this by hand to make the bodies more look and feel real. So yeah, there's the other knee, and the hands the same way. She's got them. She sews them. It's amazing. This little thing is super cute. This little cloud outfit is super cute. But he feels really cuddly. Oh my goodness, and he smells so good. But guys, I just had to come out here and I had to show you him because she had him for sale a while back ago and I didn't get it. Like I said, I needed some funds, and he came back out again. She did a few adjustments to him and she put him back out there for sale, and when he came out, I had to grab him. I thought, you know, I'm going to figure a way so that I can get him home with me, and I did. He is so cute. These faces on Sandy Faber dolls are just amazing. They are the cutest faces. I mean, I know some people like, I don't know. I've heard that some people like them and some people don't. But I am a big fan of Sandy Faber and her dolls. I absolutely adore them. And thank you, Sandy Faber. If by chance I'm going to tag you in this to see if you see this video. But I have 4 of your babies that I just absolutely love. And every time, you know, I could see one, or anytime I can get one, I'm right there. Lori Duncan also has an older toddler. She's a girl. It's been a while. I can't even think of her name. But I don't know if she'll be able to do that for me anymore. I don't know, because I know she does all silicones now. But she said she saved me the kit and she was going to paint it for me. So I'm hoping that she still will if she has the time. She's a very busy lady. But I love her to death. So I'm hoping that I can still get my 5th one, hopefully. My fingers are crossed. I'm hoping that she even still has the paints to paint any reborns. I really need to talk to her about that. So anyways, guys, I just wanted to bring you out here to show you my new baby. Yay, I'm so excited. I can't wait to take him and hold him in just a few minutes. So I apologize again for the lack of videos, guys. I have my days, so I'm just going to put it like that. And I hope you are doing great, whatever you are doing. You'll stay healthy and stay safe, and I will see you on my next video. I do have a haul, and I'm not sure whether I'm going to put the haul out first, because I already taped it. So I'm not sure if I'm going to put the haul out first or him. But I don't know. You'll see another video. There'll be two videos. This one and then another one, whether it's coming first or second. So there's 2 more videos coming. So well, actually one more. This one and then one more. So anyways, guys, y'all take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.